Okay, sixth graders, here's your Friday work, a short video. Here's what I want you guys to do. And I explained this in class, but I wanted to do a video also. You're going to create a scale uh, model of one of your rooms in your house, or somebody else's house. I don't care who, really doesn't matter. And it doesn't have to be your bedroom. I think that was what I had said, a bedroom. And somebody had asked me if they could use a different room in the house, and I said that was fine. And so this took me 10 minutes. I just drew this, but it is the scale. And the scale that I use, and the scale that you might want to use also, is 1 centimeter to 1 foot. That was my scale. And so this room here, if we, I'll turn it on the side here. If we measure in centimeters, here's 1, here's 0. All the way to 10, it's 10 centimeters. So what's the length of this wall? 10 feet. And so it wasn't perfectly square. This one is actually, here's 10, not quite all the way. It's actually 12 feet. And so I should be able to measure the lengths of your room and determine how many feet they are. And so you're going to have to measure those or paste them off, although your feet are probably not nearly as big as mine. Shoes that I wear, depending on the brand, either 12 or 13. So, and then I want at least 2 examples of either some furniture or something in the room to scale. And so I drew a bed here, and you can see. Let me zoom in a little bit. Move that out of the way. Move this over. So how long is this bed? 6. It's 6 feet long. How wide is the bed? Looks like it's just about 3 feet, maybe a little bit over. And I want you to write that information on each one of these. So this would be 6 feet, and this was 3 feet. And then I did a dresser, and I've got 1.5 feet. So what would that tell us if this side is 1.5 feet? What's going to be 1.5 centimeters? Is it? Let's look and see. Sure enough, there's 1 and there's a half. 1.5. And then this is 3 feet, so this is going to be 3 centimeters. So I think you guys get the idea. And then I just drew a dresser, but I didn't mark it. Looks like it's 1 centimeter. I'll get that where you can see it here. 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. All right. But I want at least 2 objects in that room and the dimensions of the room itself. Let me zoom this back out. I'll say it again. I want a room in your house. Doesn't have to be a bedroom. It could be any room you want. It could be a bathroom even. And if it's a bathroom, it's kind of a small room. You might want to actually use a different scale. Maybe you would do 2 centimeters to 1 foot. I don't know. So anyways, that's your Friday work. I will collect this Monday. At the top of your paper, make sure you, and it should be, let me emphasize this with some of you. Every line on this should be with a straight edge, probably your protractor, but whatever you decide to use is up to you. Not only the walls of the room, but the structures or the furniture or whatever else is in that room. I want it done with a straight edge. If not, you'll lose points. Neatness counts. And at the top of your page, you're going to put your first and last name, your grade, and then the date for grins. I don't even know what the date is today. 22nd? I'm not sure. Anyways, and then you'll just turn this in. All right. That's it. Talk to you later. See you Monday.